Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So, in this question, the effect of the initial pressure of water on the final temperature in the tank, as the initial pressure varies from 100 kilopascal to 600 kilopascal is to be investigated. Now, the final temperature is to be plotted against the initial pressure. So both the effects as well as its plotting of graph is important in this question. Let's see how to go about with this question. See, as we know that we can use the EES method, there are certain given values of the knowns of the given values. M, P1, T1, P2 is given. This is a solution that we require, conservation of energy for a closed tank. So here we have E in minus E out is equal to delta E. This is a conservation. E in is equal to 0, E out is equal to 0. So delta E, the value gives to be this. U1, V1, T2. T2 is given here. Volume and volume total. That is what is given here. Now it has been asked that if the initial pressure varies from 100 kilopascal to 600 kilopascal, what is the final temperature? So as you can see, as the pressure increases also, the temperature remains constant. So this is the result that we are getting while we are plotting this thing. So let's see how to plot the graph for this. So the first graph that we are plotting is between the final temperature and the initial pressure. So you see that the line is parallel to the x-axis. This means that it is constant. The temperature is constant throughout the given pressures. So this is the first graph that we have to plot. The second one, let's see. So if you see the second one, we have between the temperature and the volume. So it is first having a kink here. After that, it is after a particular value, it is increasing steeply. Great. It is increasing steeply and it is reducing in an exponential manner. So increasing steeply after a particular volume, and after that the temperature increases, and there is a steep increase. After that, an exponential decrease in the values. So these are how we can plot and find out the value. I hope you understand. Thank you.